CEO of the RMRDC, Professor Manilo, for a few comments, remarks to keep things going.
I don't have remark. I only share concern that the DCA that which you yourself you belong to, that if people are not supporting John to sell this project the way it should be sold, and that our directors are also not mobilizing their people as agreed. So these are concerns. It doesn't concern the people. I mean, the man that is organizing it has a very steadfast to this, but the people for which this food is being cooked are not showing sufficient interest. I don't know whether they know or it's just because of who we are. It's terrible. It's not a good sign at all. If you are looking for a match, I will say, let me stop my own. That's what I have to say. Do some remarks. My remark is bad because we are not helping ourselves. Every opportunity to learn, this is a 1 hour program. Every opportunity one has to learn, the person should take advantage of it. You never know where it will help you.
Thank you very much, sir. We'll take our corrections moving forward and we'll work concertedly as a directorate with our directors and other senior members of staff to make sure that everyone who should be here from the various departments are present. Thank you, sir, for bearing with us. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest lecturer, Dr. Kasim Abubakar, is going to be delivering a very informative lecture this morning, and he's here with his PA. Thank you both for being with us. I would like to invite Dr. Kasim Abubakar up to the front as I read his citation. A round of applause for our guest lecturer. You're welcome, sir. Dr. Kasim Abubakar is an accomplished mechanical engineer, researcher, and science, technology, and innovation policy expert with over 15 years of progressive experience in academia, industry, and research management. He holds a Doctor of Philosophy in Mechanical Engineering from University Tun Hussein, Malaysia, UTHM, a Master of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering from the University of Agriculture, Makurdi, and a postgraduate diploma in technology management from the National Center for Technology Management, NACETEM, Ileife. He currently serves as Assistant Director of Research and Head of the Department of Science Policy and Innovation Studies, SPIS, at NACETEM's North Central Zonal Office, Abuja. In this capacity, Dr. Abubakar provides leadership in research coordination, policy analysis, innovation studies, and evidence-based advisory services that strengthen Nigeria's SCI ecosystem. He also contributes to human capital development as an adjunct lecturer at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, University of Abuja, where he teaches and supervises undergraduate and postgraduate students. Dr. Abubakar has authored and co-authored over 40 scholarly publications, including peer-reviewed journal articles, conference proceedings, technical reports, and policy papers. His research expertise spans materials science and engineering, recycling and alloy development, circular economy, technology management, innovation systems, and entrepreneurship for sustainable industrial growth. His doctoral work on the conversion of recycled beverage cans into 7 XXX series aluminum alloys for automotive applications represents a significant innovation in sustainable materials engineering. He has served as a consultant and technical expert to several international and national organizations, including UNESCO, ECOWAS, AFRIGIS, GIZ, and key Nigerian government agencies such as the Federal Ministry of Education, Federal Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, Raw Materials Research and Development Council, National Office for Technology Acquisition and Promotion, and Nigerian Natural Medicine Development Agency. His professional experience covers R&D commercialization, SDI policy review and implementation, innovation system assessment, feasibility and bankability studies, and strategic technology development planning. Dr. Abubakar is a member of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, NSE, and is in the process of obtaining registration with the Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria, COREN. His professional excellence has been recognized through multiple awards, including the Most Friendly Lecturer Award 2016 and the Gombe State NYSC State Merit Award 2007. He has presented research papers at national and international conferences across Africa and Asia, including Malaysia, South Africa, Ghana, and Kenya, and has contributed significantly to capacity building programs on SDI policy design, technology transfer, and innovation management. Dr. Abubakar is deeply committed to promoting sustainable industrialization, innovation-driven development, and evidence-informed policymaking in Nigeria and Africa. His work reflects a strong integration of engineering expertise, policy insight, and strategic innovation leadership, making him a valuable asset to the science, technology, and innovation ecosystem. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Dr. Kasim Abubakar. You're welcome, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. That citation, when I was just listening to citation, I was like, is this Kazim? I never knew these are things I do. I do all I do with pleasure, with ease. I feel value addition should be what one is created for. And if you are in a particular system, you are not adding the expected value, then there may be a need for you to rejig yourself so that you can make the expected contributions. So the DG CEO, RMRDC, Professor, the directors here present, members of the management team of RMRDC, my dear friend, Dr. John, and also a pastor who is coordinating this program, friends, brothers and sisters, colleagues, Blessing, my personal assistant who has coordinated this entire communication. I say good morning. It's given me an opportunity, a very rare privilege to share with you within the next 1 hour. The title of the presentation is From Raw Material to Finished Products, Exploring Vertical Integration Model. This, in parentheses, is a case study of aluminum recycling. It's actually what is of interest to me. When Dr. John shared this with me, I quickly jumped at it because what I enjoy doing is I enjoy receiving knowledge. So if you ask me to come and sit and you are giving me knowledge, I may not move from morning till evening. And if I have an opportunity to share a minute or two with people, with the little I know, I will also not hesitate to do that. So the moment Dr. John told me, this is an opportunity for us to listen to you, maybe perchance we'll have some valuable information from this discussion. I quickly jump at it. So the DG CEO, Dr. John, members of the team, I thank you for this opportunity. So this is what we're going to be taking a look at. The components of vertical integration and how is it related to aluminum alloy recycling. Now, I endeavor to, as much as possible, within the mandate of RMRDC, to capture this. And I can conveniently tell us that the discussion is going to be interesting because we're going to be taking a look at the benefits, the challenges, and then the risk of vertical integration. And then how can we even leverage this within the raw material processing channel, and then especially the 7 series of minimum alloy. And then I drew some policy implications that may be necessary for us to move forward as a way of setting the tone for this discussion so that we know where we are coming from and what exactly get back to this. This is one of the outcomes of the following research findings. As a matter of fact, it's my PhD thesis, which I did 3.5 years ago thereabout. It's still fresh in my memory, where I am sure I stood for not less than 365 days daily in the laboratory doing this, daily in Malaysia. So there are some